Everyone, welcome to Beauty Bloodshed.
What the hell is going on?
What is she doing on stage? She's not supposed to be there. She's not part of the program.
I don't know.
I would like to call on stage the woman of the hour, Miss Velma Imperial.
Ano ba nangyayari? Wala naman to sa programa.
Relax, Miss V.
Everyone, get your cameras ready. Please take center stage. Speak. Ang revelasyon na to ay tungkol kay Velma Imperial. Play video.
Kuya, play.
It's me, Shari. Do you want to know?
What's happening?
Hanggang live feed muna tayo today. Because Velma Imperial is threatening me. At dahil dyan, get ready with me. But first, let's apply primer. While I'll tell you the truth. And nothing but the truth sa mga kahayupang ginawa ng mga imperial.
Stop this video! Eddie, do something! Stop this video now!
No!
Stop it!
No!
Who put it there?
Keep shooting your videos. Walang mag-off ng video. Panoorin nyo to. Kailangan nyo marinig ang sasabihin ni Shari.
May kinalaman si Velma Imperial at Eddie Imperial sa pagkamatay ni Helena Alfonso.
Nakapunta yan dyan. What are you doing? I don't know, sir.
Stop this video now!
I should get her.
Tama nga kayo. Hello?
Naputol yung feed?
Oh,